Number cards 1 to 100. After and before numbers to digit numbers.
Materials required: tens and units number cards, quantity box. Objective: to associate the number to quantity and to learn about before and after numbers. Procedure: place the tens and units number cards and quantity box on the surface in front of the child. Form the number by placing a 10 and a unit number card on the surface that you wish to start the activity with. Point to the place near the selected number cards and tell the child, please bring the appropriate quantity of tens and units from the quantity box and place them here. Tell the child to say the quantity when it is placed on the surface. One ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. Point to the number cards followed by the quantities on the surface and tell the child, this is 34. 34. Point to the number cards on the surface and ask the child what comes after 34. 35. Point to the area on the surface where the unit quantities are placed and tell the child, please bring one more unit from the quantity box and place it here. One unit. Tell the child, please count the quantities again. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. Point to the quantities on the surface and tell the child, this is 35. 35. Show the child how to replace the 4 units card with 5 units card on the surface. Point to the number cards followed by the quantities on the surface and tell the child, this is 35. 35. Place 1 unit card back to its place and replace the 5 units card with 4 units card again to teach the child about before numbers. Point to the number cards on the surface and ask the child, what comes before 34? 33. Tell the child, please place 1 unit back to the quantity box. After the child has placed 1 unit back to the quantity box, point to the quantities in front of the child and tell the child, please count the quantities here. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. Show the child how to replace the 4 units card with 3 units card. Point to the number cards followed by the quantities on the surface and tell the child, this is 33. 33.